Welcome to Glow and Glee channel. Present acne control cleanser, forming facial cleanser, hydrating facial cleanser, renewing SA cleanser, vitamin C brightening cleanser. One of the best things about an acne control cleanser is its ability to target and reduce acne causing bacteria without overly drying or irritating your skin. One of the best things about foaming facial cleanser is its ability to deeply cleanse your skin without stripping away its natural moisture. This gentle, lightweight cleanser effectively removes dirt and impurities while maintaining your skin's natural moisture balance. It's designed to leave your skin feeling fresh, clean, and soft without any added moisture. Suitable for all skin types and ideal for daily use. This daily cleanser with salicylic acid exfoliates and refreshes your skin, making it smooth and soft. Ideal for oily and acne-prone skin, it's gentle enough to be used on both face and body. This refreshing cleanser brightens your skin with the power of vitamin C, removing impurities and enhancing radiance. Perfect for all skin types, it leaves your complexion clear, glowing, and revitalized.